Hey everybody, Aaron, African Meat here. I made a bowl, blue and wild olive. I took the idea, or I got the idea from Doug, from Paul Barn Production. He's got a bowl that he made called the Ocean. The colors are beautiful, and I think he's using also olive wood, and it was beautiful. I'll put at the bottom at the description. I'll put his YouTube channel. He's doing amazing work. Really, he's doing amazing work. I done one of his products before. I done the ammo in clear 9mm ammo in clear that he gave me the idea. He's doing amazing work, and I follow him quite a lot on his work. So I started this one. From a piece of. Let me show you. I've got few of those. I have two of those, three of those. Wild olive. Got a little bit rotten inside, but as wild olive is a very hard wood, you can save it and you can use parts of it even if it's rotten to the core. So I started with that. I took his blue colors. I tried to go out of the same colors, but the idea of the ocean bowl, and I came up with this one. I'll put some light here. Let's see if we can see it better. Nah. Yeah, now we can see much better. Blue with a little bit of purple inside and pearl, and I think it came in magic. Beautiful. It came. It's got. I think that the light doesn't give it the right colors, but I'll take some more photos in and I'll put it on. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for having a look at that. If you like it, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And let's start doing let's see how we do it. Remember, mask, aspirator, safety first. So we can do it for many years. Cheers, enjoy. The resin that I'm using is Art Expression from South Africa. I'm using blue, purple, blue pearl, and mica. The finish that I'm using is sanding down from 150 all the way to 600, and then I'm using Yorkshire grit. After the Yorkshire grit, I use pads, sanding pads with water, and then Anovas 3 and 2 for the final. And then I'm putting on the wood, I'm putting liquid paraffin to revive back the color of the wood, and it comes all right. Here I'm doing a groove into the wood and resin, and I'll pour, you will see later, I'll pour gold with resin with gold, and it will create a type of a rim around the ball that looks like a rim of gold. As usual, the hollowing I do with a mat 1 and a mat 2 from Jimmy Clues. Um, it takes material away like nothing, and I like to work with it. I'm trying to keep the tailstock on as much as possible, as long as possible, just for safety reasons. I'm doing the finish inside exactly the same like I've done it on the outside, and here you can see very nice the gold rim on the end of the ball. It was a week, actually 10 days, that I almost finished my ocean ball, wild olive, and I had a visit from my daughter and my grandchildren from Berlin, and I left it alone. What I did, I took it to work and I sprayed it with clear, automotive clear, and I'm not happy at all with the results. Um, it doesn't have the depthness that I wanted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to polish it back. I'm going to sand it down back to the wood and resin and try to give it a different finish. I'm not happy with the results. I'll show you now. It looks okay, but if you have a look inside, you will see there's some light scratches and there is sinkage of the clear into the wood for some reason or another. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it down back. And the same procedure of sanding and polishing, exactly the same like I done before, just all over again. got the bearing that sits straight inside the headstock in the back into the flange exactly, and there is a secure nut bolt that holds it in, and created my own vacuum. Brilliant for Nova XP DVR. This bearing sits straight into the flange in the back, the round flange, identical, boom, and connected it to my vacuum cleaner, and voila, I've got a vacuum chuck.